Well, hey again, guys. Here with my 69 Mach 1. I was out with some of my Mustang buddies the other day, and I noticed that a lot of their cars had chrome trim around the wheel wells. I got to thinking, when I got my car back from being painted, I don't know, over 30 years ago, the guy had, he gave me 4 pieces of trim, and they were these pieces of trim here. They were still in the plastic bags there. Anyway, I didn't feel like fooling with them at the time, and I just put them up in my garage. I searched for them the other day, and I found them. So I think I'm going to try to put those guys on here. Now, there are no holes in any of my fender wells, so I'm not sure if this was an option or what. But anyway, I'm going to try to fit these guys on here, and I'll be posting some videos along the way trying to get these things fitted up. It looks like it's going to be a little bit of finesse because they don't just fall into place. But we'll take a look and see how it's going to go, and I'll keep you posted. Well, I got the wheel off and got it started up, clamping it up here. Looks like I got to leave a little space down here. And I clamped it around. Can only go to about right there before I'm probably going to have to start trimming a little back here to get it to pull into where the fender is. So I got it in pretty tight up to that point. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill and start some of those screws up to about the 2 o'clock position here, and then I'll start working that last little bit in and see how it goes. Yeah, I think that's what I got to do. Well, I got this first one on here. Wasn't the easiest thing I've done, but certainly wasn't too difficult. Had to pull it in a little bit with a rubber mallet as I tightened the screws up. But overall, I got a good tight fit. One place I had to cut a little relief in here to get it to bend without buckling the outside. But that wasn't a big deal, just a little snip with the 10 snips, and it folded right in. Probably because this fender isn't perfect, but it's good enough for me. But 3 more to do. Well, I got the second piece on here on the rear. Again, I had to cut a little relief right about there to get it to form to the fender. So either both fenders are messed up, or maybe that's just the way it's got to go. I don't know. But anyway, I got them both on there. I think it dresses it up pretty good. Now on to the front two. Well, I got the front clamped in place. This looks like it's a little better fit than the rear. I don't think I'm going to have to cut any relief cuts or anything in this. Clamped it up. It fits pretty tight all the way around, so I'm going to start drilling the holes and putting the screws in it. I'll have to snug it up a little bit with a rubber hammer a little bit, but I think this is going to fit a whole lot better than the back. I got the front one back together here. Like I said, it fits a whole lot better than the rear one did. So I'm going to start on the other front, the driver's side front one, and get it taken care of. Well, this is the last one. It fit pretty well. Didn't have to cut anything. Just tapped it in place with a hammer, rubber hammer. Took me a little less than 2 hours, so about a half an hour per fender well. Not too bad. So let me know if you like this, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll post more as I do some more stuff to this thing. Thanks.